Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be going over how you can add files to your OneDrive directories. So let's get right into it. Microsoft OneDrive is Microsoft's own proprietary cloud storage service, pretty much the same as Google Drive is for Google. Here you can, as I've said, upload files. You can edit files such as textual files and other files such as document files for Word, Excel spreadsheets, and so on and so forth. It is very useful. You can use it for backing up your data. You can use it when you're upgrading your device or upgrading to a different device. You can access your files and download them on that different device. You can also save your pictures, photos, videos, whatever you would like, and so on and so forth. But let me demonstrate how you would add a file. As you can see, I'm logged into OneDrive on my PC on the internet version, on the web browser version. And what you want to do to add files is just click on New, and you can just add a folder if you want to add an empty folder. However, if you want to add a folder that you already filled up, you just want to click Upload and click either Files or Folder. In my case, I want to add a folder. Let's go into C. Here I have made this test file folder. Click that and then just click Upload. Click Upload since you do want to trust the site. And once you do, it should be uploading in a second. I don't know why it isn't yet. Let me try again. For some reason it doesn't want to do anything since oh yeah, it will upload files from that file. If it's empty, it won't upload anything. For anything else, you'll need to manually add a new folder here, or just zip it up and ship it to OneDrive. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys in another video.